Now that your Showit website template is installed, it's time to customize the colors and fonts to match your brand. In this lesson, I'll show you how to easily update your site's design to reflect your unique style. No coding required. Let's get started. First, make sure your new website is open. If not, simply click your name in the left lower corner. Then click View My Site Design and make sure your new template is selected. Once you've checked that it's selected, you can click the X in the upper right corner. So once you have your website template open, you get a nice overview of the desktop version, and you also have a nice overview of the mobile version. And you can choose at the bottom left corner here whether you would like to only see the desktop, for example, just the mobile, or if you'd like to see both of them at the same time. It's quite handy to have both of them up, but it's completely your own preference. Whenever you'd like to see how far you've come and just have like a little overview of how you're doing, you can go up here and preview, and then you can preview either the mobile version or the desktop version and see how far you've come with your edits. So let's go back and let's start editing. So the best place to start is to set the overall color palette and font for the entire website. In your Showit dashboard on the left hand side, go up and click on Site. Then click on Design Settings. This is where you control your website's fonts and colors, which is a great place to start to just set the colors of your website. So let's say that you, for example, like to change the red. Maybe you'd like to change it to blue, for example, instead. Any of these colors you can change to your own. And you can change it either by using the spectrum or the color picker, or if you have a specific hex code, you can just paste that in there. And then you can see a little preview of what the color would look like here. The next part is to change the font. So you can change the font and have a separate font for the title, and you can also have a separate font for the heading, the subheading and the paragraph. So here you can change the font for the title. So if you go to the font and you click the drop down menu, you can choose from any of the fonts that's already loaded into the website. But sometimes that list is a little limited, so if you wanted to have a different font, you can go to the font tab and you can choose any of the free fonts from Google by clicking the drop down menu, find the free Google font that you would like, and often they have several different types of the font, so a light version or a bold one, and then you just add the Google font and you can see how that one then is added to the active fonts of the website here on the right side. Sometimes you'd like perhaps to add a custom font, for example, if you've bought a license to a specific font. All you need to do then is upload the font file. So you'll upload the file, and that would then as well be added to active fonts. So just click that you own a license and add custom fonts to the active fonts here. Make sure that you click save, because if not, all of that work will just disappear. So just click save. And now you can see that the font color has changed to blue, and if you change the actual font, it will also change into a different font as well. Another thing that you can of course do with the font is to change the size, and you can change the line height and letter spacing and everything like that. So you have full control of how you want your font to be. Another way that you can change the font is to go directly onto the text box. So you just click the text box that you'd like to change. you go up to the right side here, and you just change the font directly from here. So you can change the size, maybe you want it to be a lot smaller, you can move it around, like you can do anything that you want really. You can have a massive line height or a lot of letter spacing, change the color, anything. And the same as well goes for any text box. Make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever you want. Okay, so the next step is to change the photos. Very easy, so you just find the photo that you'd like to change. Like, let's take this one here. You click on the photo and you go up to the right corner and you either click the photo or you click swap image, which will take you into your uploads where you have all of the images. So from here I would recommend that you go to the lower corner here and just upload all of the images that you would like to have from your computer in the website already, so you already have them in the website. So just upload all of the photos that you would like. And you can either just have it in a upload folder or you can make little folders, which makes it a little bit easier to find. Once you've chosen a photo, you just click on it and that photo will replace the other one. So this one on the right here is actually a gallery. So if I click on it and I go up to gallery images, I can change it from here. So you just click manage images, and then all you need to do is to click the images that you'd like to add, save, and then you can swap them around, or you can just you can delete the ones that you don't want in the gallery. This one here is actually a background image, so to change that you just go to canvas background and you change it from here. And the same again, you just choose the images that the image that you like, and it will swap it out. Any image can be changed. The next would be to change a video. So this this template doesn't actually have a video, so I'll show you how to add a video to it. So you just go down to the icons here, click the one in the middle, and click video, and a video will appear, and you can just place it wherever you would like, whichever size, whichever way you'd like the video to be. So for the video you have three choices. You can either put in a Vimeo video, a YouTube video, or one from your media library. So let's say that you wanted to add a YouTube video. All you need to do is just to copy the link from YouTube, and then you enter in the link from YouTube, and that's how easy it is, and there you have it. You can also change to a video from your media library, and you just go and you click here and you choose any of the videos that you have in your media library. So an easy way to navigate between the different sites or the different pages in your templates is to go to the left side here, and you can click on site, and then you'll have a list of all the pages downwards on the left side here. So then you can go, for example, on the about page, go in here, do your customization in here, and change anything that you would like in this part of the website. So any page you can go into and change. So the blog pages are down here. You can click on the blog and go in and have a look and change. Then you'll also have something called site canvases, which are, for example, the menu bar and the menu that opens up when you click on the menu bar. So these are canvases that are included on all of the sites. So the way that you can go in and edit them is just either to go and click on the one you want to edit, and you go directly in and you edit them, or you can also go on the page and find that site canvas. It will have these stripes on it. You can click it and then click edit site canvas, and you can make any edits that you'd like to make. So the menu bar, for example, you might want to change this. For example, let's say you didn't like the 3 dots and you wanted to have something else. You can go to icon settings, click on the 3 dots, and maybe you'd rather have 2 lines. It's a little bit more traditional, and changing it to white maybe. And the same with the footer. You can go in here and change anything in the footer, or you can go down to the bottom of the page, click on the footer, and edit the site canvas from there. So in the footer there will be links attached to each of these pages. So the way that you change the link, or for example, let's say that you wanted this one to be about, then you can change the link. So you go from here down on your right side and you go to click animations, and here you can see where the link takes you. So it takes you to another page and it takes you to the home page. So maybe you want to change it to the about page. If you ever regret anything that you did, you just go down and you click regret. So it's very easy to reset anything that you've done. Alright, so let's have a look at each individual canvas. So as you can see, the website is sort of divided into canvases. So here's one canvas, here's another one, and here's another one, and here's another one. So let's say that we wanted to add to adjust things a little bit into this canvas here. You can either do it manually like this, finding each point, or there's another way to do it. So you can go to the left here and you go and click on page, and you can see here how this canvas here, photo and copy, is selected. If I go one up, it will be the hero that's selected here, or signature service a little bit higher up. And if you wanted to change it from here, you can also do that. So this is a gallery, meaning that there's many images in one. So basically, if we preview it, it just means that the pictures will be swapped out automatically, like that. So maybe you can have 3 or 4 photos that auto-rotates. So as we've done before, you go up and you can change things around. And you can also do everything from here, so clicking the different elements to change them. And you can change things around in mobile without that necessarily changing the position in desktop, which is nice. And the same here as well. So if I move this around, nothing's going to happen in the mobile version, which is good. You can also add an animation, so you just click animation, and maybe you wanted this one to fade in. Maybe take 1 second to fade in. When you preview, then it's going to now fade in rather than just be there. I've jumped into another template for a moment to show you how you can swap out videos. So for this template here, we have a video here. So if I show you the preview, this one has a video in the background. So the way that you can swap out the video is to click on the canvas, and then you can go to the canvas background, and this is where the video is. All you do is click on the video and you can change it to any other video that you would like. And yeah, that's it. Very easy. So once you've made the edits that you'd like to make, just go over the website in the desktop version and also the mobile version to make sure that everything looks good, everything is the way that you like it to be. Just go up here, preview it, and just check that everything looks the way that you would like for it to do. Once you're happy with it, you can go to the next step and publish it. You click publish, and you can, for me, I've already put in what I wanted the website to be, but you can go here to update settings. You can call your site name something, and also make sure that you change the vanity URL slug. If you have a custom domain, I would definitely recommend to link it up to your custom domain. So to do that, I will link a video right below this one so that you get a full walkthrough of that. And just like that, you've personalized your website with custom images and videos, and your site is now starting to take shape and reflect your brand's unique style.